Hey guys, what's up? How's everyone? I hope everyone doing well and good health, inshallah, always. Guys, welcome to my channel. This video actually is about mock test. I'm with my friend Mr. Shakib, Tiger of Kerala. We're going to do for him mock test before the real test, okay? So I hope he can pass the mock test and also the real test, inshallah. Wish him good luck. Alright guys, thank you. Alright guys, so we're waiting for Mr. Shakib. Is it ready?
Yeah, yes, ready.
So inshallah, there's no mistakes.
Yes.
To do your first mock test.
Yes.
I think we do before, but that is short one.
Oh.
But today, we do it full video.
Yes. Oh.
Any mistakes? Wani,
Oh.
she will explain what kind of mistake you do.
Yes.
Okay?
Oh.
Alright, so what are you going to tell about Obani? Because Obani, he will check about any mistake if you do.
Don't any mistake me.
For Obani?
Yeah.
Obani, she's professional. So
Yeah.
I'm sure she can find.
Okay.
Okay. We're going to start, inshallah.
Oh.
Okay?
Okay.
Where are you going?
Huh?
Don't go anywhere, huh?
No.
Wait.
Okay. Off only.
You okay, Shakib?
Yes.
Wait, Shakib, wait, huh? No rush, okay?
Yes.
Easy. You're a tiger of Kerala, no?
Yeah.
Tiger, he was waiting. After that, when he sees something, direct. No, don't turn off.
No.
Wait, Shakib, okay?
Okay, no problem.
Mock test only, okay? So, inshallah, when you are going for the real test,
Yes.
the car will be like that.
Yeah.
Straight turn.
Yeah.
Waiting for the examiner. The examiner will come.
Okay.
And he will check your book, your ID card. He will ask you about your name.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Shijit.
Yeah, don't tell him I am Tiger. Okay?
Okay.
Tell him Shakib. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Ready?
Ready.
Okay.
Oh.
We will go right.
Right.
Shakib, yeah.
Oh.
Perfect. We go Shakib. We go right.
Okay.
Only I will give you direction and instruction, okay?
Okay.
Then about the mistakes, upon you.
The second mistake was not using hazard signs when slowing down. This is dangerous and can lead to rear-end collisions as drivers behind won't be alerted. Instead of using the horn unnecessarily, he could have waited until the car exited the parking.
Will talk to you. You will and Oman, inshallah, she will explain what kind of mistakes. Don't worry, you drive.
Okay, no problem.
Be comforted. You can see, no problem.
No problem.
Okay, Shakib. Can you go to the petrol pump? Petrol pump.
Yeah.
You can go left?
Left.
Huh?
You're not allowed.
Not allowed. Okay. U-turn.
U-turn.
U-turn. Shakib. You can change the line, right? Can you go? Can you go?
No. Only.
Good.
He did not check the right side for approaching vehicles and did not slow down to ensure it was safe to proceed. This is a serious oversight that could lead to accidents.
Now you are Tiger. Yeah. Okay. Shakib, we go right.
Right, huh?
Mm.
Okay.
If you go right, what you do?
Indicator.
There. So from there.
No. Okay.
Okay, Shakib, we go left.
Left, huh?
Mm.
No, wait.
Wait, go. That guy, he give you horn. Okay, before signal, we go right.
Okay.
Alright. Oh, Shakib, go. Yeah. Tiger of Kerala. Okay, Shakib, what mean this signboard?
This
Hmm? This.
oh,
Hmm?
this is
When asked about a road sign, he could not answer, showing a lack of road knowledge.
We go right. We go right.
that's it.
Full right, huh?
That one name
Huh? You don't know?
before
If you don't know how you pass from the science it. Science.
this one.
Go now. There's no Kerala.
While turning right at a junction, he failed to give a signal, creating confusion for other drivers.
So, that was giveaway.
Give away. Okay.
Okay, Mr. Shakib, Tiger of Kerala, can you park right?
Right.
I want nice parking, yeah?
Okay.
When parking to the right, he did not use the signal, which is essential for safe and clear communication.
Why, Shakib, you're not using a signal,
Sorry.
You cannot tell for the police, sorry. You are the exam, you will tell the police, sorry. Okay, Shakib, try your best, because there are some mistakes.
Parking okay?
Parking okay, but without signal.
Sorry.
Anyway, good luck, inshallah. I want to better from this, inshallah, okay?
Okay.
That's why we call you Tiger.
Yes.
Tiger always the best.
Sorry,
Good luck, inshallah, Shakib.
thank you, sir.
You're welcome, brother. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. See you, inshallah, another video, another mock test with another student. I hope everyone can pass. Our brother also, Shakib. Wish him good luck. Thank you for watching. See you, inshallah, another video. You want to say something, Shakib? Anything? Anything? What you don't say?
No problem.
You want? Huh?
Good.
You want to sing song?
No.
Huh?
Thank you.
Any song? Any song?
Yeah. Next time. Next time.
Next time.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you. So tomorrow, inshallah, another video. Mr. Shakib will go to sing nice song.
Okay.
Malayalam?
Yeah, Malayalam.
Malayalam. Okay, good. Thank you. Wait, Shakib, don't go.
No.
You want to say hello to the people?
Yeah.
What do you want to say?
Will say driving is best.
You're the best.
Yeah, best.
Thank you.